right off the bat, what is your favorite calculator?
I grew up on the TI-30 because that's the only thing that was allowed.
Love it. Um, and can you tell us about your plans as the president of Engineers Nova Scotia?
Sure. So we're going into a second year of our five-year strategic plan, which involves looking at trying to build our capacity as the regulated profession in Nova Scotia is growing. We're up to over 8,700 members at the moment. So we're looking at how we can end up making the onboarding process more smooth, having new engineers and new prospective engineers in the province, being able to work through the registration process and gain mentors. So we're really focusing on how to build that capacity, how to ensure that we're providing the best supports and services to our practicing members, and also providing resources to help build their ability to serve the public and to stay competent as a professional engineer.
Amazing. And why is it important for engineers to volunteer with a regulatory body?
It's all about giving back. So a big theme that we're really pushing for this year is about being stronger together. Again, with that number of engineers within the profession, the regulator is able to do so much in terms of providing resources, but we really are reliant on our members helping members. We're a self-regulated profession. Part of being a practicing professional engineer is understanding your responsibilities and also understanding that you have the ability to help the colleagues that you're working with and to mentor young professionals as they're moving through. So it's, whether it's volunteering, whether it's attending some of the different events that we operate throughout the province, just having the ability to find a way to give back is really important.
That's amazing. And what makes you proud about being an engineer?
That's a tough one. I volunteer a lot, so I'm an academic. What that normally means is that my nature of professional practice is tied into a little bit of research where I can help some small companies that are moving through. But a lot of it's actually education. So I'm sort of the oddity from the professional engineering one where really my role is trying to instill the professional ethics and instill the technical skills within the next generation of engineers, and that's an awesome thing. I get a lot of pride out of that. By the same token, I also understand and recognize that it's a very diverse profession. So you can have a professional engineer who is working in government policy. You can have one that is working directly with wastewater treatment. You have ones working with your municipal water. So I think wherever you end up landing in this field, you have something you can take pride in. You have a role that you can play that is very unique. It's a problem-solving role. And I guess it's probably not an answer to your question, but it's the best I can give.
I love it. And last couple, why is mentorship important in engineering?
So it's as you transition into this profession, it is a bit unique in that you complete your education, typically 4 or 5, sometimes 6 years, depending on how you stretched it out. There's a mentorship process or a training process that's 4 years of practical, supervised experience engaging in professional engineering under the mentorship of a P.Eng. So it gives an opportunity for those that have been involved in the field that are knowledgeable on the codes and standards and the ethical practices that are involved with the profession. It gives the opportunity for them to teach the new generation of engineers that are coming through, allows us to set a consistent standard and expectation in terms of how to practice and where really your motivation should be, which is public safety is paramount. And so the mentorship process provides that opportunity, provides a really great method for some of our highly experienced engineers to really pass on some of the knowledge that's tied into what they do. It also provides reverse training. So you have a number of new emerging professionals that they're trained in new systems, they're really energetic, and that energy then gets transmitted into some of our mature practicing professionals. They get updates on what's happening in the field, and it really keeps the profession vibrant.